Welcome to our Accupure FF1 10-step installation and filter changeout guide. What's in the box? What's required for installation? Open the cold water at your faucet. Ensure the cold water flows and then close the cold water supply valve located under the sink. This ensures cold water is turned off and relieves water pressure. Select and mark a location under the sink that allows access for filter change. Using the filter head assembly as a guide, fasten the filter head assembly to the wall with the system fasteners. Use of drill may be required to start screw holes. Allow a minimum of 3-inch clearance from the bottom of the filter cartridge for ease of removal. Place a bucket or towel under the cold water supply valve. Disconnect the cold water from the supply valve. This riser leads to the faucet. Install the enclosed 3/8-inch female faucet adapter fitting to the faucet stem. This should be a snug fit. Do not over-tighten fitting. Determine length of 3/8-inch poly tubing required from the faucet stem to inlet of the filter head by holding tubing in place, ensuring it is of appropriate length. Cut tubing straight with a razor knife. Insert 3/8-inch tubing into faucet adapter fitting, then insert the other end to the inlet of the filter head. Note the water flow arrows on the filter head. Install the enclosed 3/8-inch male adapter fitting to the faucet line. Determine length of 3/8-inch tubing required from the filter head outlet to the faucet line by holding the tubing in place, ensuring it is of appropriate length. Do not kink tubing. Insert 3/8-inch poly line to the male adapter fitting and insert the other end of the poly line to the outlet of the filter head. Add the time strip to the filter, activate, and list the date installed on the label. Remove the sanitary protective red cap from the filter cartridge. Ensure both O-rings are present on the filter and are seated into grooves. Moisten O-rings with water. Align lugs of filter with head assembly and insert filter into head assembly. Turn the filter to the right clockwise until it stops about 1/4 turn. The filter is now installed. Turn on the cold water supply valve and open the faucet to flush air from the system. Run water for a minimum of 5 gallons, approximately 2 minutes, to flush the system and close the faucet. The system is now ready for use. The system is now under pressure and can be inspected for leaks. Repair any leaks as needed before continuing. Please refer to the user guide for troubleshooting. For optimal results, replace the filter every 12 months by purchasing a new one on our website. To replace the filter. With our filter technology, there is no need to turn off the cold water valve. Just place a towel under the filter to collect any residual water during the replacement filter changeout. Grasp the filter and turn to the left until the filter comes to a complete stop. Water may leak momentarily from the vent tube. Gently pull the filter downward to remove it. Follow the filter return instructions found inside the box. Add the time strip to the new filter and activate and list the date on the label. New filters can be purchased on our website. Remove sanitary protective cap from new replacement filter. Ensure both O-rings are present on the replacement filter and are seated into grooves. Moisten O-rings with water. Do not use any petroleum products to lubricate the O-rings. Insert replacement filter into the filter head assembly. Turn the filter 1/4 turn to the right until it stops. When fully engaged, the top surface of the filter will be flush with the bottom of the filter head assembly. Open the faucet and run water for a minimum of 5 gallons, approximately 2 minutes. While the system is flushing, check for leaks. Repair any leaks as needed before continuing. Close filter system faucet. The system is now under pressure and can be inspected for leaks. Follow the filter return instructions and you're all set. Enjoy your water.